Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with my last bag from Tereasa, an order from Amazon, and JoAnn's. So let's share what I finished getting from Tereasa today, because it didn't all fit in a box. So I picked this up from her. It's these little flowers, just this whole container actually. The little flowers, cute little flowers. And that one, and then this one had these little hearts, smaller hearts, or smaller round ones, pearl ones, a little bling in here, different bling. And then on this one is little ladybugs, and aren't they cute? And then some little red hearts, more ladybugs. Yeah, ladybugs and red hearts in that one. This is such a cool container. And then these type of flowers in this one. Real pretty. Small ones, big ones. And then bottle caps of pink, turquoise, and then silver. I'm going to make some bottle caps. Allie always makes bottle caps. Makes little keychains for her friends with them. So I got that. And then, I'll start show you these. She said, put these in the bag for Riley to use with her easel. They're kind of different. I might have to try these just to see. So Riley, for Riley Roo. Okay. And then she had some stamps, and I'll show you what they are. It's a butterfly, and a bird, and another bird, another bird, and another bird, and then some sayings. And this one says, "Miss you. Discovering it's the one thing life will constantly ask of you. Discovering it's the one thing constantly ask of you. Hello. Remembering the now. Explore, dream, and discover." Some more butterflies. Live your dream with passion. Courage is being yourself every day in a world that expects you to be somebody else. Love you to the moon and back. I love this one. Kids, I always say that to grandkids. Oh, live your dream with passion. I think I read that. Own your own dreams. And so the adventure begins. Lucky is the state of a mind. There is beauty in simplicity. Replace fear, the unknown, with curiosity. Thanks. XOXO. And no beauty shines brighter than of a good heart. Yeah, got all. Yep. So I got them. And then she had these in a plastic bag, but I already separated them. I was sitting here, and then it's all these pretty butterflies. I'm gonna be making some tags. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. A whole bunch of butterflies, different shapes. I think there's even yep, a dragonfly. It's in here as well. They're pretty, pretty, pretty. I love butterflies. Yeah. And then there's this. The containers I had, I just put them in the containers. And then there's these, which is like mason jars, little hearts, little frames, bird cages, I believe. Little doily ones. Like that. Little ones like that. Some butterflies like that. So cool. Like windows. I want to see something real quick, though. Where is something I did? Let me see. Where is it? Okay, right here. Let's see something. I don't know if I did this yet. Did I add color? It's hard. This is not really well to look through. Okay, let's see. I want to see. Oh yeah, that look cool. Oh, look at it. It's a globe. Let's see. Butterfly. That look pretty going through. Adding color. Yeah. So that's cool. And they're like little strip ones too. Like this. Yeah. So I got that. Ooh. There's even little like birds. And I don't remember if that's everything. I believe so, except for one item, which I'm going to tell you a story about because it's cute. So, Teresa's husband, Sean, when he works and he's hungry but not really hungry, he'll go through McDonald's and buy a Happy Meal. He usually grabs it, doesn't take the toy, or if he doesn't remember, tell him not to take toys. He grabs them, and Teresa's been like throwing them in a bag toward me, for me, to give to the grandkids, okay? And last time, there was two, and they were kind of boy related. And so Coda gave one to Riley, and I gave them to him while I was talking to Teresa, and it was so funny because Riley goes, "Doesn't he ever choose girl ones?" So Sean went through, I don't know when, but he picked a girl one for Riley. It's Space Jam and it's a girl. I was like, Riley, well, I'm really thankful, but doesn't he think of girls? Like, there's no filter on my youngest grandchild, I'll tell you that one right now. But it was so sweet of Sean to do that. So, I picked up a couple stencils, guys. And I thought I'd share them with you. They're mixed media stencils. Ugh. They're big. I wish they were like 9 by 10, but they weren't, so I went with it. But they're 12 by 12. You got the dots. They're made by Rhonda Palazzari. I don't know how you say it, but whatever. But so you got like this, and this little square thing, and that, and zigzag, and dots, and this kind of splatter, and then this, and that. I thought they were cool. Got that one. They were two for like, I think 14 I paid. I don't remember exactly. And there's this one. Oh, that was cool. The circles. So I got that one as well. I got them on Amazon. If anybody's wondering, this is not Amazon. Then, JoAnn's. Now, if y'all want to watch Teresa's video, I was going to buy the Art by Merlene paints. And they were out of the one I wanted, really. So Teresa got them. It was a joke because we both had them in our cart, except I had to wait. And then all of a sudden, when I went back, of the 5, there was only 2 in my cart. I was like, what's going on? And then when I looked, they were all sold out. So Teresa got them. It's just this funny joke. But she has talked about the Art Smith paint from JoAnn's. So last night, I ordered it and had it picked up curbside. So this is a good size bottle. So you got a blue, a purple, a hot pink. She was right. This is worth more than that. The orange, the green, and the yellow. So yeah, I'm glad I went this route because I wanted neon colors. I've always liked neons. I always said a neon pink's one of my favorite colors. But the neons that I found at Ross's were really running. And then Tereasa came across these little ones that she sent me from Master Touch, and they're nice because I used them today before I went and got these. I did this in my start a new journal. I did this morning. So yeah, I love it. The brightness. That's one of the stamps I got right there. So I did that in awesome color. So I'm very happy. And then I bought these, and I only paid $23 for all these. Yeah. And if I would have bought them, for some reason they had this extra like bonus online. I don't know what's with the little air in there. I guess pockets. Look, they're all like that, except for the orange. Oh no, the orange got some too. So just have to shake them up, I guess. Shake, shake, shake. But that's all I got for you, folks. Yep, that's it. Yep. So I'm going to create now. And I just wanted to share what I got. Excited I got it. I got paint, the neon colors, which are awesome. I'm glad. I haven't tried the Art Smith ones yet. I'm going to do that next. Not saying they are going to be any different than the Master Touch. You can get the Master Touch in this size. It's hanging because I found all the little sizes the other day when Scott dropped me off at Hobby Lobby. He went and did something, and I was roaming Hobby Lobby until he called and said he was coming on his way back. We killed 2 stones at once. I go shopping, he does his thing, and then he lets me know when he's on his way back, and I head to the checkout. Well, I was already done doing my shopping, so I came across all these little paints, and I decided, I took the box with me, and I walked up to at Hobby Lobby in the individual paints, and every one of these colors were in the individual paints. So if you can't get the Art Smith at JoAnn's, and they're this size, the tubes, I think. No, I don't have. Probably this size. Hang on. Okay, no, I don't even. Here's the tube. Let's see. Let me see. Let me get a Master Touch here. So this. Oh. This is 120 millimeters. This is 200. Oh, I can't see. 0.7. Okay, let me see if I can read it on this orange one. There we go. 200 millimeters. 6.75. This is, it doesn't. 4.1 ounces. So they would be a little smaller than the ones from JoAnn's versus Hobby Lobby, but they do have them. So you know, I would check them out if you're interested in the neon colors. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.